We are starting week 2 of our surrealist inspired eye. Our vocabulary words today are value, the lightness and darkness, and form, the illusion of depth. I'm going to show you how you can use different materials to create value. First, colored pencil. Colored pencil will create nice smooth transitions. If you apply hard pressure, you'll get darker values, and lighter pressure, you will get lighter values. And you can also apply multiple colors or layers. Next, crayon. And again, you can do the same thing as colored pencil. They will be a little softer, so you may have to cover them a few times. And then lastly, pencil. Pencil, you can create nice, strong transitions, and you can also smudge, so you can get smooth transitions from one value to the next. So we are going to apply value to the outside of our eye. You are going to decide what material you would like to use, if you would like to use colored pencil, crayon, or pencil. Today I'm going to show you in pencil, but you can easily apply the same techniques with colored pencil or crayon. So I'm going to start by lightly covering the upper lid with the pencil. Now, whenever you apply value, you want to make sure that you have different values next to one another. Otherwise, they will all blend together. So above the eyelid, I'm going to make a little value scale, dark near the line that I have, and then I'm going to lessen my pressure as I move away from the eyelid. I'm going to come closer to the eyelashes, and I'm going to apply a similar value scale, dark near the eyelashes, and then it's going to get lighter towards the line of the eyelid, the top part. As you apply your value, you're going to notice that you're going to create the illusion of form, making something look three-dimensional. As you continue to move along the eyelid, you're going to continue the same transitions, dark near the line, and as you move away from it, your value is going to become lighter, so you're going to lessen your pressure. You can also take your finger and blend your pencil lines so that they become smooth. Or if you have a Q-tip on hand, you can also blend using the Q-tip. Now I'm going to move towards the inside of the eye, and I'm going to apply a little value as I move down to the lower lid. On the inside of the eye, I'm going to just add a little bit of shadow. So I'm just going to come in and apply some mini value scales. So on the white of the eye, I'm just going to create a light gray to white. So I'm just going to smoothly transition towards the iris from a gray to a light gray to white. And this will just give a little shadow to create the illusion of form. And then I'll do this on the right side as well. So I'm going to start in the V. I'm going to create a gray I'm going to go a little darker, and then I'm going to transition from the gray to light gray to white. And if you look at the reference photo from Magritte again, you will notice that he applies shadow in this way as well. Remember, you can always look in the mirror and take a look at your own eye to help you apply value as well. So now we're going to start the lower lid of the eye. So I'm just going to take my pencil and apply a gray value to the bottom line that I used to draw my eye. And then I'm going to apply some value to the lower lid as well, like I did to the top. I'm going to continue my value along the bottom line of the eye. Remember, this is my interpretation of how I'm applying value to my eye, so you can interpret it in your own way. So if you want to look at your own eye as reference or another picture that may help you, think about how you can create value transitions, light to dark, dark to light, so that you can create the illusion of your eye becoming three-dimensional. If you decided to use colored pencil or crayon, you're going to apply value in the same way with variation of pressure. So to create darker areas, you're going to press harder, and to get lighter areas, you're going to transition and press lighter. You can also use an eraser to create areas of highlight. Highlights are where light is hitting the surface of the object. To summarize, we started on the upper eyelid. We applied pressure and then lessened our pressure as we moved away from the eye. We also applied a darker value towards the eyelashes. We created a value transition on the inside of the eye, and then we also applied value on the lower lid. I'm really excited to see your final products. Please make sure you upload them to Teams or send me an email. I hope you had fun and learned a lot about applying value to the eye this week.